As primulas cease to flower, that is the perfect moment to lift and divide them. Ease the parent plant out the soil and then pull it carefully apart, making sure that each section has a good proportion of the root. Replant one section into the original hole, and then you have new plants to spread elsewhere around the garden. As you start to see the emerging foliage of potato plants, this is the moment to earth them up. If you're growing them in ridges, you draw the soil up over them. Or if you're in a raised bed, like mine are, simply put a layer of a material over the top. I'm using compost, but you could use grass clippings or straw. Anything that will protect them from frost and also obscure light from any tubers near the surface. Now is the moment to sow biennials, such as foxgloves, wallflowers or sweet william. Sprinkle the seed thinly onto compost, cover them over, water them well and put them somewhere sheltered to germinate. And when the seedlings are large enough to handle, they can be pricked out and grown on, ready to be planted out in the autumn.